Hello everyone. So let's talk about Dr. Clara Walin Siangco, a pioneer Filipino scientist who made a big mark in biochemistry and toxicology. She became one of the country's national scientists because of her groundbreaking work and really helped science and public health. Dr. Lim Siangco was especially known for studying mutagens and carcinogens, which are chemicals that can cause changes in our DNA or even lead to cancer. She wanted to understand how these chemicals affect our health at a genetic and molecular level, and her research gave a lot of important answers. Over the years, she did many studies on food additives, chemical contaminants, and environmental toxins. She even developed ways to detect harmful chemicals in food and the environment, which was a huge step forward in keeping people safe. Her work helped explain how chemical exposure can cause genetic mutations, and this knowledge lead to better safety standards and regulations. Thanks to her research, public health in the Philippines improved. Government facilities on food safety and chemical exposure were influenced by her findings. Beyond that, she inspired many young Filipino scientists to explore genetics, toxicology, and public health, leaving a legacy that continues to guide science today.